Hey, what up guys? This is Ryan with Brainstorm. So multiplying exponents at first seems tricky, but I promise it's pretty easy. And so it's something like this. You might have 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 5th. First thing that's important is you cannot do this unless the bases match. So you notice the base is 3 here and the base is 3 here. The bases have to match. The exponents don't have to match, but the bases do. And so to kind of show you how to multiply exponents, the first time we'll do it the long, terrible way, and then never again because I'll show you the right way to do it, the faster way to do it. And so if you think about it, isn't 3 to the 4th just 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? 4 times. That's what an exponent is. And then I could just follow this and say times, right? There's times there. 3 to the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 3 to the 5th is 3 times itself 5 times. And then, well, now, because this is so clear, can't I just have 3 to a certain number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be 3 to the 9th, right? So the long way to visualize this, or even it's kind of the correct way, is to see that 3 to the 4th is 4 of these suckers multiplied. 3 to the 5th is 5 of these suckers multiplied. And so altogether, don't I have 9 of these multiplied? So you can kind of guess the right way to do this now. So that's the long way. The right way is to say this. If the bases match and you have exponents multiplied, you take the base and then you simply add the exponents, right? So now I have 3 to the 4 plus 5, so it's 3 to the 9. That's way faster than writing all these suckers out. That's pretty bad 9. So that's it. That's how you do it. So let me give you a quiz because, yeah, it sounds so easy. And actually, it is pretty easy. But there's a few weird ones. I'll try to intentionally mess you up. All right, check it out. All right, so here's 3 of them. So this first one looks like 5 to the 3rd times 5 to the 2. So that would just be 5 to the 3 plus 2. Right? So then you have 5 to the 5. Easy. All right, look at this one. 4 squared or 4 to the 2 times 4 to the 5. Yes, again, make sure the bases match. So this is the 4 to the something. What is it? 2 plus 5. So then you just have 4 to the 7th. What about this one? This one's intentionally kind of weird because you're like, well, the bases match, so we're cool. The problem is he doesn't have an exponent, right? So I'd say 5 to the 2 plus, I don't know, there's no exponent. Whenever, okay, this is a rule, you ready? Whenever you have no exponent for a number, the exponent is 1. Because isn't it true 5 to the 1 is just 5? So what's the exponent of if I have like this number here? Oh, there is no exponent. There totally is. When there's no exponent, the exponent is 1, right? Cool, so now that we know that, then it's 5 squared times 5 to the 1, so then it's 5 to the 2 plus 1, or 5 to the 3. Cool? Those are pretty easy. All right, this next little sub-quiz is intentionally there to mess you up. So look at this. All right, so this is a 4-questioner. So look at this top left one. Right away, you're like, wait a minute, not cool, Ryan. You never said anything about a negative exponent. Like, deal off. Don't even worry about it. The rule is the rule is the rule. It's the same rule. I can multiply numbers with exponents if the bases are the same, which they are. So this is 4 to the, and all we do is add the exponents. Who cares if one is negative, right? So it's the same rule. So now I have 4 to the negative 2 plus 6, and then I just simplify that. So that's 4 to the what? Negative 2 plus 6 is a 4. So it's okay if one of them is negative. No big deal. You still have to add the exponents when you're multiplying them, all right? Okay, so now look at this one. So now you're better at these. So 5 to the 5 times 5 to the negative 3. Sure, the bases match. So that's 5 to the, adding these, 5 plus negative 3. What is, and then it just comes down to, are you good at adding positives and negatives? What is 5 plus negative 3? That's the same as 5 minus 3, so that's just 5 to the 2. That's your answer. This one, I don't know why I threw it in there. It's pretty easy. There's no trickery. You just add the exponents, so that'd be 2 to the what? 10 plus 4 is definitely 14. Easy. Again, and then here's one of these ones again. Wait a minute. He doesn't have an exponent. When there's no exponent, what do? Right? Put a little 1. So this is definitely 4 to the 5 plus 1 is 6. So yes, multiplying exponents is super easy. I actually like this section because it's like you can probably get them all right. And now you'll be a pro at it. All right, good luck, you guys.